Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can turn on quiet mode on your Instagram application. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, let me tell you this. If you don't know what is the quiet mode if you turn on quiet mode, the notification on that period will not come to your phone. So this is the benefit of turning this on your Instagram if you don't want to receive notification on a particular time period. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Instagram application. Now go to your profile on the bottom right, and here click those three straight line on top of your right, and go to settings and privacy, and you can see the option notification here. Click that option, and here you can see the option quiet mode. Just click that option. Now as you can see, my quiet mode is turned off. If I turn on this by clicking this, you can see the start time and end time. You can change it as you like. I'm going to keep it from 12 p.m. okay, and then the end time will be 8 p.m. and just click OK. Now in this time period, I will not get any notification from message or any other notification from Instagram. So this is the benefit of turning quiet mode on. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.